Hey, personal finance students, you should have gotten an email from me this morning, and if you got it, it means that you are watching this and you're doing what you're supposed to. So, first step, just like it says here, is watch this tutorial video. Okay. The next step here is to pick a category to research and complete the savings tips assignment. All right. So you're going to research one of these categories. You get to pick. All right. You can work with a partner, two or three, if you want to, or if you want to work by yourself, that's fine too. All right. Totally up to you. However you want to do this, you know who's in the class, and you know if there's people that you want to work with or not, and totally up to you. But I want you to pick from any of these categories here. So you can pick restaurants, grocery stores, convenience stores, entertainment and movie theaters, electronics, or clothing and apparel. And then what you're going to need to do is basically come up with savings tips that you think like people in this class would be interested to learn. All right, so you're going to have to research one of these categories and come up with like alternatives to the categories. So like not buying at these stores, and also ways to save money while still visiting these places. All right. So like consider some of these things like, and this isn't going to apply to everything, but it'll apply to a lot of these. So think about the best time of year to buy certain items, the location, buying options, brand name versus store brand, when do sales happen, discount and outlet options, new versus used, franchise versus like a locally owned store, things like that. And this says that presentations will be given at the beginning of class, but ignore that. That's not how we're going to do this. So you're going to make these presentations, and then after that, you're going to do the exact same thing that I'm doing, which is called a voiceover. You're going to record your voice going through the slides, right? So if I were going through slides and I said, okay, here's my presentation, this is what I'm talking about as I'm going through slides, that's exactly what I want you to do, all right? This can be done a few different ways. I had people in the other class download their slides to their phone and do like a screen record, okay? I've also talked to people that have Screencastify. It is a Google extension that I've linked right there for you, and there's also a tutorial here on how to use that. That's pretty slick. So if you're not sure how to use it, you've never used it before, you can use it this way. You can also, if you have a YouTube account, you could record it directly from there. Or if you just have any other way, again, it doesn't matter to me. I just need a video of you talking and your slides being shown. That's pretty much it. Okay. So then upload that video to your Google Drive. All right. As soon as you've got that in your Google Drive, I need you to share a link to your video. All right. And post it right here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. So if you've got a video in your Google Drive, you go into your Google Drive. All right. And oftentimes, if I've just made the video, right, and I'm looking for something more recent, I click on the Recent tab, and I should be able to find. So, like, let's say that this is my video that I want to share with everyone. Okay, I click on it, I get it open, all right, and then and then I click on the three little dots in the upper right where it says More Actions. You click on that, and then you click Share, all right, and then it'll pop up like this. Okay. And you have to click on Get Link, all right, and then change it to Detroit Lakes Public Schools, all right. Anyone with a link can view. So then you click on that link, you highlight it, or you can just click Copy Link. You can Control V or Control C if you want to, or you can copy link. Link's copied, okay. And then you go into this doc, all right, and let's say that you did electronics, okay. You can put in your group name here would be fine, or however many names of yours are in here. So let's say that I'm Ellie, okay, and I highlight this, and that mine was in electronics, okay. I right click on my name and I choose link, or I can also do it this way. I can go insert, and then I can go link after I've highlighted my name, and then I just Control V. I paste that link there. Okay, that way when people click on that, guess what? There's my video. Okay, and so they can watch that. All right, so that's my example there. So that way you can see how that's done. Okay, so after you've done that, okay, as soon as you've got your video posted in there, you're going to want to watch a video from each one of the sections. This is what you'll do basically Friday. Okay, this is on Friday. Okay, so Thursday is steps 1 through 5. Friday is step 6, where it says watch a video from each section and write down 2 savings tips you might find useful now or in the future. Okay, so just to review, we need to, right, number 1, okay, research and create a savings tips presentation, all right, on one of the categories. Number 2, we need to record a voiceover for our presentation. Now, if you're in a group of like 3, I just need 1 person to share that presentation. I don't need 3 voiceovers of the same presentation. Okay, I just need 1 per group. All right. Then you copy, paste the link into the Google Doc. Right there, this one. That one, all right. And then step 4, again on Friday, is to watch a video from each section and write down 2 savings tips, okay, that you might find useful now or in the future. So again, you don't have to like, this is going to be full. Some of these are going to be more full than others, okay? You do not have to watch like 5 videos from each. I just want you to watch 1 from each of those columns, okay? Totally up to you which one you watch, all right? But again, totally up to you if you want to work on this by yourself or with a group. Send me an email if you have questions. Again, there's no Google Meet today. If you need help with something, send me an email.